This is something that I don't think is spoken enough about when it comes to traffic methods and getting a lot of traffic to your offer and converting that traffic into sales. What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn, and I've been earning $16.69 over and over on autopilot with this traffic method. I have been using paid traffic methods and a free traffic method as well that I'm going to show you both of them. So this is worldwide and it can be free to do, but also paid to do. And this is actually going to be a full training video that will teach you how to build a sustainable income online, and most importantly, the correct way to build a well-connecting, a more personal, and a higher converting ad that we're going to need for this strategy that is very important for any way of making money online. So this is really going to be packed with value. So I'm really excited for this one, and you'll see right here on my Clickbank account, just to show you my account, I have been getting sales doing this, and you can see right here it hasn't been thousands and thousands of dollars per day. I'm not very big on Clickbank. My biggest way of making money online is drop servicing, but I have been getting into Clickbank quite a bit, and I have been getting quite a bit of sales doing something like this. So you'll see right here Feb 13th $132, Feb 12th $97. So it's averaged out at about $100 per day doing this method. You can see right here my weekly averages. I had a bad week about 3 weeks back, so you're gonna get them. You're not always gonna be perfect. This is just to show you some proof. You can see right here that this is from the 18th of Feb or the 12th to the 18th of Feb. We're only at the 14th today, so this is still going to increase a lot more, but this is just to show you some proof that this is working. But if you're ready for this value pack video, make sure you got the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload another awesome video, just like this one that I will be doing tomorrow. So make sure you got the bell on so you can get that. But if you're ready for this one, let's get straight into it. So as you saw, guys, I'm using Clickbank for this method and the specific product on Clickbank. There is a ton of alternatives to Clickbank, so you can literally come to Google and go Clickbank alternative, and you'll see a ton of websites right here, such as Peerfly, JBZoo, Affiliate.com, Neverbloom, Market Health. As I know, Clickbank isn't accepting every single sign up in the world. There are a couple of people that have problems with signing up, but there also are a ton of alternatives that you can use. But once you have your Clickbank account signed up, you can come over to clickbank.com. You'll see right here they've got an affiliate marketplace. For those of you who don't know, Clickbank is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world, where you can sell products, services, and courses that you don't even need to earn, and you can earn between like 30 and 80% commissions for some of these products. So the niche that I'm going to be using throughout this video is actually something really cool that a lot of people are getting into on Instagram. It's very popular, not only Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, not really YouTube, Facebook as well. People are posting a lot of photography content. So I'm going to use photography in this niche, and I'm going to head over to the mobile niche, the mobile category on Clickbank, and you'll see right here, there's actually a good one here called Phone Photography Tricks. Trick photography with your iPhone or with your Android device. So if I quickly open up this website, they actually have a couple of example photos that they will teach you how to take just using your phone. So you can see right here, it's really cool photos like this. I mean, this looks really professional, and this is content. This is what a lot of people want to learn, is how to do photography, because it's such a big field at the moment. Not everybody can afford a DSLR that costs about $1,000 to $2,000. Here they're teaching you how to do it with your smartphone in this little course, which is really amazing, and they've got a free training for you right here. And what's nice is it's not a very expensive product. It's something that converts very well. And you can see right here a ton of more examples that is very useful. And I think they actually have an affiliate page as well. They do, so they actually give you some resources as well. And you'll see right here, you actually get 75% of the membership sale price, which is really a good commission. 75% of a sale is massive commissions on one product. So you'll see you'll be earning an average of $16.69 per sale. So now that we have our product, guys, I'm going to head over to builderall.com, which is an amazing drag and drop website builder. They've got automatic email marketing, a pixel perfect site builder, WordPress, 3-click integration, professional messenger chatbots, Instagram autoresponders, e-learning websites, video funnel builders, all sorts of apps and tools. You can see right here, there's got tons of different engagements, design, email marketing, and builders that you can use that makes it much easier to design your website. And before, I have been using WordPress, which was very complicated for a lot of viewers watching. Builderall is super easy to do. You can get it for free. I'll leave a link in the description. It is my affiliate link. If you decide to upgrade, I will get a little commission for that, but you can go sign up for the free package and start building your website already. And this platform is literally an entire business builder in a box. It's very similar to that of ClickFunnels, but except it's way cheaper and it has way more. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to head over to the Builderall canvas. I'm going to click on enter to build my landing page, as we need to build a landing page for this, as we are going to be making use of paid ads. And remember, I'm going to show you how you can create these ads more personally and to connect much better with your audience. You'll see right here, once I've clicked on Build Raw Canvas, it's going to ask you to add a funnel. Just click on that funnel title. We can name it. We can literally copy the same name from Clickbank. I'm going to paste it there. And then I'm just going to cut this little section here for the description. I'm going to then click on next, and you'll see right here what we want to do is we want to generate sales. So I'm going to click on that, and it will basically give me some template funnels already that I can literally copy and paste. We just need something basic. So I'm literally, I'm actually going to go back one, and I'm going to go, and I'm just going to select on all, and I'm going to select this one right here, video sales letter funnel, as I'm just going to be using a video for this funnel, as I like video content. I find that video content is a lot more personal when it comes to engaging with your audience. So I'm going to select on that. It's going to ask you for some themes that you want to choose, such as a car theme, a weight loss theme, a business theme. You'll see right here, if I click on preview, it will open it up in like a landing page that looks like this. So this is what this one looks like. There's a beard grooming one, basic theme. Let's have a look at the basic theme. I actually like this one quite a bit, so I'm just going to go for this basic blue theme, and I'm going to click on select. Once it's done, you can actually see your funnel is here ready to build. All I need is, I actually only need this video sales letter page, as remember, we don't need these other pages because we're going to have our affiliate link to the Clickbank product where we will earn our commission. So I'm going to head back to my canvas. I'm actually going to delete these. You'll see right here, if I go right click, remove, same here, right click, remove. I don't need any of this. I can actually remove all of that. And then I've got my video sales page and my checkout for my offer, which I can actually also remove. So I just have my video sales letter page. And you'll see right here, if I right click on this and go edit page, you can actually see right here, I can click on page theme, click on view, and I'll be able to view the theme page of what this looks like. So you can see right here, you've got a video. This is how you get what you desire without the comment pane. We're obviously going to edit this and make it suit our photography product so that we can get a lot of clicks and orders on our product. I'm just going to add a thank you page. We're not actually going to use it because it wouldn't allow me to create the funnel, as you have to have 2 pages or more. So once I've just added that, you'll see right here, if you go right click or click the plus sign, you can add a page. But we're not actually going to be using this thank you page, as we're going to be linking the button on our video sales letter page to our affiliate page on Clickbank. So once I've got this done, I'm going to click on create the website. I'm just going to type here phone photography tricks, which is obviously our product. I'm then going to click on create. There we go. So the website has now been created. I'm going to click on access the website so I can now build this page. There we go. So you can see I'm now inside of my page builder. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to head over to their photography page just to get an idea. How would you like to be of what kind of content they've put on their page. So you can see right here, they've got like a little phone image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, and I'm just going to go, I'm going to head over to pixabay.com just to get a little logo for my website. Then I'm just going to type here phone, for example. This one looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to download this one right here of the phone, like the Apple iPhone. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to head back to my editor. You'll see right here, there's a section that says your logo here. I'm going to right there, click on that, click on change image. It will then ask me to upload an image on the top right here. I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to head back to the folder where I've downloaded it, and I'm going to upload this picture I've just downloaded off Pixabay. Once it's done, I'm going to click on confirm. There we go. So that's just what the that's what the little logo looks like now, as we've added the new image, and it looks really cool. So I'm going to head back to the phone photography pics, and you can literally use some of the content on this page. So this little first text section right here, I'm going to right click on that, click on text, and you'll see right here, I'll be able to edit the text. If I highlight it, I can then write something like this. I can put here, let's just move this all down a little bit. Warning, you do not want to snap another photo until you read this startling report. And for this section right here, I can put something like astonishingly simple secrets discovered by renegade photographer transforms your smartphone into a high quality DSLR and captures jaw-dropping gorgeous photos that blow away your friends guaranteed. So I'm just going to edit this text a little bit, make it a different color, other than the bland grayish color here. So I'm going to click on that. Let's make it like a nice red color. There we go. That looks pretty good. It stands out. And then with this video section here, what you can do is you can come back to this photography on the affiliate page. They will have their own affiliate page. You can literally download this video here, or you can actually watch this video and try and create your own version of doing this. I'm just going to download this one for the sample of this video. So you can see right here, it's downloading on my local PC. Once it's done, you can upload that as your own video landing page, or you can create your own one, literally just explaining, hey, what's going on, guys? I found this new course, and you can basically get influence from his video and replicate a similar video that you can add yourself. But a little bit later, what I am going to show you that's important is the video ad that we are going to be creating for social media. That is super important. So make sure to keep watching with me so you can learn how to do that. I'm just going to quickly upload this video to YouTube and rather embed the YouTube link to my page, as Uploading your own video to your own website usually takes a lot longer to load and render, especially with people that's on your website with a slower internet connection. YouTube just plays the video in a much better quality. You'll see right here, I've published my video as a unlisted video, so I'm just going to copy this link, come back to my build role editor, right click on this video, click on config, and I'm just going to paste this URL and click on confirm. Once it's done, we can continue to this next little section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to the Phone Photography Tricks website. I'm just going to add some of these pictures as proof, so I can literally copy something like this, come back to the build role editor and paste this here as a heading. And then this entire section right here, I'm going to open this in a new tab, save this to my local PC so that I can put it on my own website as well. I'm just going to remove this testimonial section right here as I don't actually want this. This section I can actually move down. And you'll see right here on the left, there's a little plus sign. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on add image. I'm just going to do a standard image like this one right here. Image. There we go. You can see the image section right here. I'm just going to extend this section a little bit and lower this whole page. So I'm going to right click on this image. I'm going to go change image. I'm going to upload the same picture that I downloaded off the website, this one right here of the proof. Once it's done, I'm going to click on confirm. So there we go, guys. I've now finished building my page. You'll see right here, I've just put in here, just use these proven techniques to instantly become a mini celebrity on social media websites without ever using Photoshop. So I put some bullet points here. If you would like to take mind-blowing photographs with your smartphone, if you would like to dazzle and shock your friends with your shots, if you would like to become a trick photography expert almost overnight, and I added some like proof or testimonials here. And then I've got the big button here that says yes, I want it. So now what we need to do is I'm going to head back to the marketplace on Clickbank, and we need to head over or find our products, this one right here, Phone Photography Tricks. Click on promote. We obviously need our affiliate link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my account name so I can get that. I'm going to click on generate hop links, and you'll see right here, this is my affiliate link, meaning when people click on this link and they purchase the product through that link, you're going to get your commission. Now this link obviously looks very long, spammy, and very unprofessional, so I'm going to head over to a website called bit.ly where we can shorten our link and actually track the amount of clicks that it also gets to sort of track the engagement rate that is getting, which is very handy. So I'm going to click on create on the top right. I'm going to paste this long URL. I'm then going to click on create bottom right, copy this link over here. And now that I've got my short link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly click on the plus sign, and I'm going to click on button. I'm going to add this nice purple button that I pretty like. I think it's a really nice one. I'm just going to increase the size. I'm going to right click on this, click on text, it should change this, and I'm going to go yes, I want it. Click on confirm. Right click on this. I'm going to click on action, and then I'm going to go over here, web address. I'm going to paste this bit.ly link in this web address, open in a new tab, and click on OK. Once it's done, I can click on preview, and this is what my page will look like. So when the person wants it, they will obviously click on this. It will take them to your affiliate link, which will take them to the landing page that looks like this with the free training video. They can then scroll down, have a look at all the testimonials, the proof, and how you can take amazing photos like this with your mobile phone. And if they're interested, they will then purchase the product. And once we've saved our website, guys, I'm going to come back to my office.buildroll.com, and I'm actually going to click on enter on the Pixel Perfect Site Builder, where we can actually now publish our website and get the link to our website. So you'll see right here, once I've clicked enter, it will take me right here. You can see here's my Phone Photography Tricks. There's a publish button that says publish. Click on that. I'm then going to click on OK. And if you want to, you can also click on the three buttons and connect a domain. But I'm just going to click on my title over here. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and here you can see the link to your website. So if I click on this, this is what my landing page looks like. If I scroll down, you can see right here I've got some testimonials. You can add some more to this page if you want, and right here on my yes I want, it will then take me to my affiliate page on Marketplace of Clickbank, where we will get our commissions when the person or client purchases the product. You can see right here, here's my hop link, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen record myself on my phone creating a nice little video ad for this funnel for Facebook that is a lot more personal and a lot more connecting with the audience to get a lot more clicks on the offer. What's good, New York? I'm going to show you how you can turn photos like this into this just using your smartphone. You don't even need to spend any money on a DSLR. You can already be using the phone that you are using right now. So if you want to learn how to do this, I've got a link right down here below with a free training and some sample photos of how I did this and how I'm running a full-time Instagram business doing this, and exactly how you can replicate this too. So make sure to click on the link down below this video so you can go and get that. There we go, guys. My ad is now created. I created a short little video ad right there as you saw on the screen. And one or two things that I wanted you to notice while creating that ad, or while I created it, Notice how I targeted a specific area first. So firstly, I was like, what's going on in New York? Meaning I'm targeting people in New York. And the reason why you want to narrow it down to a specific place like that in your intro is because you want to get more personal with the audience. Obviously, if you're targeting the whole world and you say something like, hey guys, do you want to become like the best photographer using a mobile smartphone? That is really not as personal at all. Not as personal and not as connecting as like what's going on New York photographers. You know, it's just more personal. People in New York that do photography will then listen to you much more because you're talking to them directly, so that we'll be more interested in your ad. So guys, now that we've got our ad, I'm going to head over to the Facebook Ads Manager, and you can see right here I'm on the Campaigns tab, and I'm going to create an ad. There will be a button like this. If you haven't created an ad yet, it's going to ask you to use an existing campaign or create a new campaign. I'm just going to create a new campaign. I'm going to type this. Let's go photography Clickbank course. Campaign objective, we want traffic. For the new ad set, we can create a new ad set. We can name this photography Clickbank course ad set, and then for the new ad we can create a new ad, enter new ad name. We can name this phone photography tricks, for example. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to draft, and you'll see right here if I click on the photography Clickbank course ad set, I can edit the ad set name. The traffic, we're obviously leading our traffic to a website. Dynamic creative, we can leave this off. Offer, so we're going to be driving more conversions by creating an offer people can save and get reminders about. We can leave that off. Then your budget and schedule, so whatever you want to spend on your ad, the more you obviously spend, the more you're going to reach. So for example, if I spend $100 on this ad, I'm going to reach between 31,000 and 89,000 clicks or reach, and then 340 to a K clicks on the link. And even if 5 to 8 people convert out of these 1,000 people, you've made your money back plus extra. You can start off smaller at like $10, and you can see how many clicks you get here. So if you spend $10 out of 100 people, if one person converts out of those 100 people, you've made your money back plus $6, and you're making $16 per sale. And then you'll see right here, create audience. This is the important part, because obviously now we've located New York specifically. So what I'm going to do is, and I've set my location to United States, New York, age 18 to 65 plus. I'm going to click on the edit button, and you'll see right here the important part is here, detailed targeting. I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to go, for example, photography. I'm going to do wedding photography. If I type in photography again, you'll see all the various different niches that we want to add in photography, because obviously we want to target this ad at a specific niche. We don't want to just target this at everyone. We've got digital photography, we've got mobile photography, there's wildlife photography. You can add all the different interests, because you want to obviously narrow it down to that specific niche. Once you've done that and included your interests in the detailed targeting, you want to click on update, and my saved audience is now done. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on the actual ad and design the specific ad now, as we obviously need to add our pictures, our copyright scripts, and everything to make the ad look attractive, or most attractive as possible. So you'll see right here, we've got the ad name, phone photography tricks. You can use your Facebook page to promote your ad off. So I'm just going to use my Facebook page, and then I've got my Instagram account as well. Create ad, we can set this off full screen mobile experience. We can just leave that as is. Then media is the important part. So I'm going to add my video that we've now created. This one right here that I showed you now. This one right here of the ad I've created. There we go. I've now updated my video, and you'll see right here I can add some primary text, headline, and a description, and then obviously the website URL. So for the website URL, I'm going to head back to my drag and drop builder on Builderall. You'll see right here this little text right here will be your link. You can see right there's my link. I'm going to copy that and paste that into my ads manager for the website URL. And then for the primary text, I just put here, astonishingly simple secrets discovered by renegade photographer transforms your smartphone into a high quality DSLR and captures jaw-dropping gorgeous photos that blow away your friends. Guaranteed. Then for languages, we can just add our basic languages such as English and any other languages that you want to add. And once that's ready to go, I can click on publish. Then it's going to ask you for your VAT ID, which is alternative. You don't have to enter that. I'm just going to click on skip. Then it's going to ask you for your card details. And there we go. Once your item is published, your ad will go live. It will obviously go into like a review stage where they will review your ad, making sure there's no swearing or nothing like that. Once that's done, your ad will get approved and your ad will run, and a whole lot of people will see your link and eventually see the sales start coming into Clickbank. Guys, on the screen right here, I'll have some of my best playlists and my best free courses on YouTube on how I've been building online businesses just like this one right here. Obviously, I've been doing this for quite some time, so I've been doing this at scale, but I mean, we've got to get started somewhere. But right here on the screen, I've got some of my best free courses. Make sure to choose one of these, and I'll see you there.